iPhone 11. I'm gonna fix this now. The version is 18.6. Right. Wait. I'm gonna choose this now. Version is 18.6. So I need to download. Here is a 18.6. Need to download this one. Here is it. Copy these things from here. Put it down. Go to MDs. Put in a data file. Apple data 11. Paste. Go back. Apple Slack folder. Right. Come. Select here. Oh, 18.6.1. Right. Now you have to use Pico. Right. Put the phone into the download mode. Check phone in a DFU mode now. To the PC. A PC में बता. Here is a file. पास में ले जा थोड़ा सा. Here. Click this file. Post it here. Automatically close. Okay. अभी इधर ला. Remove. Connect. Connect phone. Just blink. It's done. Connect phone into the PC. यहाँ से देना तो उसका. It's connected. There's a version. Everything. Start. Boot. Wait for the finish online. Wait for the process. When you come here, must open the 3U tool and check. Yeah. Phone is a recovery mode. Wait for the process, whole process. See the process. Yeah. लेकिन मसला नहीं है, खाली इतना है कि उनका टाइम का मसला होगा. Then after that, factory reset. Wait for the reset, completely reset. This is a part 2. Right. Already Pico already used. Wait for the process. There's a process. Okay. Now the time is show. Done. Will take some time. Wait for the on. Done. It's